We're Chris and Sarah,
a husband and wife creative duo.
5 years ago, we met cycling across America. 3 years ago, we got married, and our current adventure is traveling and working full-time out of our DIY Sprinter van.
We're on a mission to live more meaningful lives by inviting other people along the way to join us in the adventure. We are Let's Be Us.
All right, y'all ready to see where we're at? We just picked up a package from the Mall of America.
And we're gonna take you along, show you what this place is really about.
We're not big mall people, but this isn't just a mall, which is why we're gonna take you guys along. We wanted to check it out. We've been to Minneapolis a few times before. We've never really gotten to come and experience this. So people of Mall of America were kind enough to actually give us tickets to some of their hottest attractions right now, and we're gonna go check it out. We're really excited.
Yeah, we're excited.
Overlooking the Nickelodeon amusement park right here, which is sort of like the centerpiece of the entire mall, obviously. There's this awesome little putt-putt course, and it's really great, it's really nice, super clean, and we pretty much just having fun out here. We're awful. We're both really bad at this. We'll let you guys guess who won. That makes sense. I don't know why I paused that much. Spoiler, I did not win. I could be a mall person if all the malls had this. This is pretty cool.
Probably too old for that, but it was fun. So we just finished the whole sea life experience. It was actually really amazing.
Really fun.
Yeah, it was like 300 feet of just like this underwater tunnel, and you can see fish swimming all around you. It was real. I enjoyed it a lot. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I did. And it wasn't just like only aquarium stuff, which I thought it was gonna be like all fish. But before you even get to the fish, the sharks or anything, you actually walk like this little mini rainforest stuff, and so you see like crocodiles and frogs and tarantulas and all kinds of things. So definitely give it like 2 enthusiastic thumbs up.
If you come to Mall of America, go to the Sea Life exhibit because
really fun.
It's a lot of fun.
Kids especially would love it.
All right, so we just finished with Sea Life, and right across the hallway is the Nickelodeon Universe.
I still cannot get over that this is inside a mall. It's amazing.
Let's go to the pineapple.
There's just rides going everywhere.
There's rides. So when we knew that there was like an amusement park inside the Mall of America, we honestly thought it was gonna be like 1-2 rides, but it's not.
No, how many are there? We need to get an exact count, but I'm looking and I see at least 10.
It's like a
It's
whole
probably more than that.
amusement park in here.
Yeah, and the cool thing is what we were given is like an all-day wristband. So you can come in here, you can hang out for a while, and then you can go out in the food court or even leave the mall if you really want to, and come back to it later on. And this is great because if you know anything about Minnesota, Minnesota gets really cold in the winter time. So
Yeah.
I don't know if that may be part of why they built this here. That's my guess, but it's perfect, especially in the winter time, I'm sure.
It's crazy. So if you're here, make sure you get an all-day pass because you can ride as many rides as you want. I don't know.
Yeah. And we're here on a really good day because it's kind of quiet. Kids just started back to school this week up here, I believe.
Yeah.
So, it's pretty fun though, guys. Really, I completely underestimated this.
Yeah, this is blowing my mind right now. So it's the afternoon slump. Both Sarah and I are kind of feeling like it's dragging, so we need to pick me up. We're gonna go get some coffee. I'm gonna use this directory right here. Coffee. So we have Caribou Honor 4-Post. Bunch of Caribous. Starbucks. What's this Honor 4-Post? Go this way. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that.
Look at him go. Post is a one-of-a-kind place. Actually, they're making a second location in New Jersey, but right now the one in the Mall of America is the only location. And what it is it's like a store with 90 different vendors. So it's not just like your typical mall kind of shop, because you're shopping a little bit more local, smaller businesses, that kind of thing. I don't know if they're all local, but like smaller businesses was really what you're getting here. So more unique kind of items. You're not just going to the big box stores. So this is really cool. We're finding some really kind of neat stuff. And Christmas is coming up very soon, and Chris's birthday. Chris's birthday is coming up. So if you like shopping small, this is actually kind of like the perfect place, which you wouldn't expect in the Mall of America. This is a really neat place. 90 different vendors. So it's like 90 different small shops that you're getting in one storefront, essentially. So we're gonna walk around, check out some stuff. I see some dog stuff for Kramer, so we're gonna have to go get that. If you pop them open, look. How cool is that?
So cool.
Look at the little sushi guys. You're We have our coffee. Thank you to the wonderful barista, Esther. Inside 4-Post, they have this new Honor coffee shop. It's like 2 months old right now.
Yeah, it's really good though.
Really good coffee. And we're gonna go do a Crayola experience.
Let's go color something.
You look insane. So what you do, Tiffany just explained to us, you take your token, you put it in the slot, and then you get to make your own crayon label. So I guess I get to name it myself. So I don't like, okay, 3 different languages, English. Oops. Oh, that's it. I'm gonna go football. What do you think?
Looks good. Looks like you.
Georgia Bulldog. I spelled that right.
Yep.
Yeah, make her another one.
What?
Oh. What?
This just might be the first ever Georgia Bulldog Red crayon. Go dogs.
Disclosure. We're definitely the youngest people here.
Youngest or oldest?
Or oldest. Sorry.
Definitely the oldest.
Definitely the oldest. Hey, this is Sarah.
What?
This is where graffiti's legal.
And this will be here for a long time because I'm taller than all the kids here. We just finished up with the Crayola experience and it was a lot of fun. But you know those places where you go and you're definitely the oldest person, but it's okay because you're still having fun as an adult. And then there are those places where you go and you're definitely the oldest person and it's almost creepy.
We were those people.
I think it was creepy, but it was still a lot of fun.
So if you have little kids, definitely go there because it's really cool.
It is a really neat place.
Really cool. But if you don't have kids and you've got a camera and you're just kind of walking around, probably
don't do it.
Yeah, don't do it.
But it was really fun. Some of the nicest employees we've encountered here so far, really great, really helpful. And if you're young and you like color and you just want something to like move around, there's a playground in there, there's a lot of different like hands-on things. It's a really great place. So do recommend it, but maybe if you're younger or have somebody younger. My feet hurt.
Oh man, how many miles did we walk today?
So far we've walked 4 miles just inside the mall.
4 miles. We are at one of the largest malls in America, and it's been honestly a lot of fun. We're not really mall people. I mean, we occasionally shop, but living in a van, we don't get to we don't buy much, and so. But this was such a cool experience. We've both been to Minneapolis a bunch of times. We've never been here, and so being able to go to the mall, like everybody knows the Mall of America.
Yeah.
It was a cool experience.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I mean, like Chris said, we're not big shoppers. We don't really go to malls that often. And we've been here, we've obviously walked 4 miles now. We've been here for hours, and we haven't even shopped at all yet.
No, which...
Well, we went into one store, but still,
yeah.
we haven't bought a thing. We've just been like walking around experiencing it, which is so fun. And honestly, people watching here is like, muy bueno. So it's been really fun. It's been a good day, and we're really thankful for the opportunity to be here. So thank you, Mall of America, for giving us this chance. And
yeah, it's super cool. So if you like amusement parks, if you like aquariums, if you like coloring, if you like eating, this place could be for you. And let's go ahead and talk on this really quick. We're here on a Wednesday, and the crowd here, it's not as crazy as you would think it would be for being the Mall of America.
Yeah, I thought by hearing the name Mall of America, it just sounds like chaos to me. Like you think it's going to be crazy busy.
It's like Black Friday all day long.
Yeah, but it wasn't. In fact, it's one of the quieter malls. Like granted, there's tons of people here, but there's tons of places for them to go too. So it was very manageable. I can't speak for the weekend. School is in here too. So maybe if you come during the summer on the weekend, it's going to be a totally different experience. But being here during the week, during the middle of the school year, it's not bad. It's really fun, and it was a great experience for me.
Yeah, it's been awesome. So hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to hit subscribe down below, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
See ya.